They're in the mail. If you haven't seen yours already, those W-2 forms you need to do your taxes will be arriving soon. But beware, there is a scam going around, and if you fall for it, it could separate you from your refund. News Channel 5's John Shainman is live in Port St. Lucie to tell us more about this. John?
Kelly, detectives here in the Economic Crimes Bureau at the Port St. Lucie Police Department tell me that you should be careful to make sure that you are on the lookout for these scammers who are trying to get something from you for nothing. Inside the tax shop, Joe Edge prepares returns for individuals and corporations. The other day, he got an email for a client's corporation renewal that got his attention.
They're charging you for something that you can do for free.
It looked like something the state of Florida would send, but the email address was a dead giveaway.
This one has a bunch of upper and lowercase letters and numbers, and it's obviously fraudulent.
Edge alerted Port St. Lucie Police, where Detective Wade Willnow says it's prime season for tax scammers.
Some of them will put Trojans or viruses on your computer if you're not careful. Some of them will send you emails to trick you into clicking on links.
Willnow says the IRS will never notify you of a debt by phone or email. It will be in writing, and you can set up an appointment to go over the issue.
They're never going to demand payment right away, ever. Never by money orders or gift cards or anything like that.
So what happens if, for example, you fill out your tax form electronically and it gets kicked back because someone already filed in front of you? Detective Willnow says follow these 5 steps. Contact the IRS fraud reporting line at 1-800-908-4490. Go to the IRS website, irs.gov, and download the Identity Theft Affidavit. Go to identitytheft.gov to file a report with the Federal Trade Commission. File a police report and notify the 3 credit reporting agencies for a temporary freeze on your credit report. So how do you know if the person filing your tax form is legitimate? The 2 things that they should be able to answer if you ask them. That's coming up all new at 6 o'clock. We're live at Port St. Lucie. John Shainman, WPTV, News Channel 5.